most beginners make one mistake in BOQ. They guess quantities. But in real projects, one wrong calculation equals huge loss. Today, I'll show you step by step how to calculate quantity directly from drawing with a real example. Let's take a simple slab example. Length equals 5 meters, width equals 4 meters, thickness equals 0.15 meters, 150 millimeters. Now remember, BOQ always works in standard units, so we convert everything into meters. To calculate concrete quantity, we use volume. Volume equals length times width times thickness. So here equals 5 times 4 times 0.15 equals 3 cubic meters. So total concrete required equals 3 cubic meters. But in real site, we don't stop here. We add wastage, usually 2% to 5%. Let's take 5%. 3 times 1.05 equals 3.15. So actual quantity we order equals 3.15 cubic meters. Common mistakes beginners make: using millimeters instead of meters, forgetting thickness conversion, ignoring wastage, missing hidden elements like beams. One small mistake can increase or reduce cost drastically. Let's do a quick example. Beam. Length equals 3 meters. Width equals 0.3 meters. Depth equals 0.45 meters. Volume equals 3 times 0.3 times 0.45 equals 0.405 cubic meters. In next video, I'll show you how to convert this quantity into rate and profit calculation. Follow me to master BOQ step by step.